Before you run off with your digital marketing strategy, it's important to go back to the beginning. Well, maybe not that far. Take a moment to consider where your organization currently stands. What are the company's general objectives? What existing strategies do you have in place? What resources do you have to work with? Mapping out these basics will result in digital strategy that is more concrete, and at the same time, it will help you avoid wasting time and money. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just take full stock of your company's resources by gathering data and assessing what you already know. Don't forget to take both internal and external factors into consideration. The idea is to understand the context that will serve as a basis on which to build your digital strategy. And if you're wondering why this is important, know this. Companies that have a good grasp on their overall strategy often have significant digital advantage over companies that are quick to act but don't have a clear underlying basis.